Hey everyone! Today we are tackling one of the biggest questions out there. Will AI take our jobs? You have been probably seen headlines about AI replacing humans in everything from customer service to coding and maybe even creative work. But what's really happening? Is this the end of human work as we know it, or the start of something completely new? If this topic resonates with you, don't forget to hit the like button. It really helps the channel. Thank you so much. And let's break it down. Every major technological shift has created fear of job loss. When machines entered factories, people thought human labor would disappear. When computers arrived, clerical jobs were supposed to vanish. And yet, new industries, new roles and new skills always emerged. AI is no different. Yes, it's automating tasks, especially repetitive ones, but it's also creating new opportunities for people who learn how to work with it and not against it. Let's be real, some jobs will change or even disappear. Tasks that are predictable, data-heavy, or rule-based are the easiest for AI to take over. That includes things like data entry, basic analysis, and routine customer support. Some administrative roles may also evolve. But even in these areas, the best outcomes happen when AI and humans collaborate. Humans bring context and judgment, while AI brings speed and scale. At the same time, AI is opening up a massive wave of new career paths. We are seeing demand for AI trainers, prompt engineers, ethical AI specialists, data governance experts, and creative professionals who know how to use AI tools. And even traditional jobs are evolving. A marketer who knows how to use AI, a teacher who leverages it to personalize lessons, or a small business owner automating their workflow, all have a huge competitive advantage. So, what can you do right now to stay relevant? First, embrace lifelong learning. Learn how AI tools work in your field. Second, focus on human skills, creativity, empathy, and problem solving. Tools are incredibly hard for machines to replicate. And third, use AI as your co-pilot. Let it handle the boring, repetitive parts so you can focus on innovation and relationship. The things that really move the needle. And speaking of that, I've been doing exactly that myself. I've been experimenting with AI in my daily work and discovered something really powerful: prompt engineering. Over time, I've tested and refined a set of battle-tested prompt frameworks that I now use every day to reduce stress and save hours on repetitive tasks like debugging, writing documentation, or refactoring code. I've collected all of these frameworks into something I call the AI Prompt Playbook. It's designed specially for developers who want to get consistent, accurate, and powerful results from AI. With these structured prompts, you can basically direct AI like a teammate, and the feedback you get is accurate and on point every single time. If you would like to learn more, check the description below. You can subscribe to get access to the playbook, and as a special bonus, if you subscribe using the link down there, you will also get my best-selling Udemy course for free. So, will AI take our jobs? Not if we adapt. The future of work isn't about humans versus AI. It's about humans with AI. If you learn how to leverage these tools, you won't be replaced. You will be redefined. Thanks for watching. If you find this helpful, hit the like and subscribe here, and tell me in the comments, how are you using AI in your job today? And see you in the next video. Bye!